right now. And, mag-audition ako, I'm so excited and, parang kinakabahan din. I'm nervous. Never been sa kanya I'm nervous. Like nervous. Yeah, I'm quite nervous and, I'm kind of tachycardic right now. Well, guys, hope you're going to support me. Vote for me. Yeah, yan. Go, go, go.
Oh, moral support.
Yeah, yung friend ko, very supportive. Yeah. Siya pa nag-picture tayo, tsaka hindi ako masyadong prepared na picture for 3 hours. And it's already 3:45. And yeah, time
At
for
nasa San Pedro College pa kami.
Exactly. Pumunta kami ng Chinese Latina,
Bumawag kami ng taxi. Oh, first time.
Yeah.
Di ba no? Ay, di naman no.
Yan yung, taxi
Ay,
driver.
yung taxi driver namin. Dapat lucky. Dapat, yan. Swertehin kami.
Dapat mag-smile si Sir Taxi Driver para buena. Sige, nakayalo pa naman kayo na dalawa. Yan.
May yain siya eh.
Yeah, some kind. So, well, nandito pa kami ngayon sa ano na ba ito, Clark? Parang may Santa Ana padapit.
Yes, we're heading sa, Quirino.
Quirino.
Quirino pa kami.
And it's already 3:45. Ilang minutes bang drive papuntang Matina Shrine, Paano nga pala pagkitas brief?
How many minutes, Manong? Pwede bang mag-change?
Can you make it 5 minutes? Because I have to retouch. Oh my God!
Uy, mag-retouch ka na ngayon!
I have to retouch myself.
Yes, retouch yourself!
Yes. Retouch. Well, okay pa naman, hindi pa man oily ang aking face. What do you think? Oily pa? Ipakita mo yung mo, eyes.
Oh, yung eyeshadow ko!
Welcome to Earth.
Welcome, Martian.
Well, because we are trying hard, what's it called that? These days.
Yayen. Prepare na yan siya. Mag-makeup na yan siya ngayon.
Yes,
Okay?
we have to make up.
So, classmates, 4F, watch out! Yayen will be a star!
Superstar sa Chanak.
Malapit na matapos.
Malapit sa baba.